The Meet a Goal feature helps you provide your clients with quick but powerful insights into what they need to do to reach their financial goals. Whether that's an injection of capital, adjusting the growth rates, or increasing or decreasing their expenditure. In this scenario, we'll be showing you how you can provide invaluable peace of mind to your client. To get started, head to your client's cash flow forecast. You can either directly edit the forecast, or, to show an alternative scenario, create a cloned model. As you can see in this forecast, a significant amount of savings remain by age 100. In this instance, our client would like to use up much of these funds before they pass away, but at the same time would like to keep a small amount for a safety net. Select the Stress Testing and Monte Carlo tab on the left-hand side of the page, and then Meet a Goal. Here, hitting the blue button will prompt a pop-up in which you can select your chosen goal, whether that's to reach a certain figure or to avoid falling below a certain amount of money. We'll set a safety net of £100,000 remaining by age 100. As we're showing the client just how much room to spare that they have, we'll show this by adjusting their income and expenditure needs. When ready, select the Run Simulation button. As you can see, our client is able to increase their expenditure by over £8,000. And to show this impact, we'll select Go to Incomes and Expenses. Now, hit Add Expense and enter a description and the yearly sum. Ensure the start and end date matches that of your Meet a Goal criteria, and then select Add Expense. The forecast now shows the client's financial objective being hit by age 100, meaning they no longer have to worry about how much money that they're making, and instead focus on the things in their lives that matter most.